I just signed up for GrooveFunnels. Now what do I do? Hi, I'm Del Edwards, and today I'm just going to hopefully make this pretty quick to show you what you can do to get started with Groove. If you haven't already gotten your free lifetime account, check the description below and get it now. Sign up for it. You might not think you need it now, but trust me, you need it. Okay. So if you are already a member and have already signed up, you can go to your Groove website. You would have gotten that information in an email. And if you don't remember what it is, app.groovefunnels.com is where you can go to log in. Or if you're on this site, if you click the link below this video and you see a login section here, you can log in from this page as well. So once you go to app.groovefunnels.com, the first thing that you want to do, the very first thing you want to do is scroll down to the bottom of this panel here. And I know my picture is probably blocking it right now, but at the very bottom of this section, there is something that says Facebook group. If you scroll down here on this page, you'll also see it right here. Facebook group. Take me there. That's the first thing you want to go. There are tons of ways to get information all through this page. You can see tutorials, webinar trainings, facts, and support. But you want to go to the Facebook group where you can get connected. In the Facebook group, once your membership is approved and you're in there, this is one of the most underused resources, I believe. I see people in here asking the same questions over and over again. Yes, you want to get involved. Yes, you want to participate in discussions. Yes, you want to be a part of the community. But understand that you don't have to ask the same question that has been asked before, 1,000 times. There are over 110,000 members in this group. So, and everyone started with Groove as a new person. So you are not the first person to ask a question. Most likely you are not the first person at this point. What you can do once you get here is go down the side here. And the first thing you should do once you get into this group is click on this Units tab. Once you click on the Units tab, it will take you to a series of videos, information, things that will allow you to learn about the system. Once you go through each section, start here, there will be a video. Mine are all checked off because I did that the first time I came in this group. And there'll be a video for each section that starts to play. Once you've completed it, okay, you'll get to see something that says next unit. And you'll be able to go to the next unit and see what's happening in the next video. And after you've completed all those videos, you're going to have information about other places to get more information. And a lot of your basic questions will be answered. The other thing is that if you're in the group, down here behind my picture again, it's in this tab on this side where it says About, Discussion, Membership, Units. Then comes Announcement, members, Events, Videos, Photos, and you might not see it because my picture's here, Files, Recommendations, Watch Party. There'll be a little section here that says Search this group. When you search the group, you can type in any question. I'm typing in, I'm new here. What do I do next? And look what pops up from the search. All these posts where people might have said, I'm new, what do I do next? You can go through, what do I do? And you can see what people have responded. People who are authorities in the group have responded and given information of what you can do. All right, so that's that. Now, the next place that you can go is to the Groove Digital Academy. That's GrooveDigitalAcademy.com. GrooveDigitalAcademy.com. Once you get there, you'll be able to sign in. Now understand that once you log in, it's not going to be the same login that you have for GrooveFunnels or Groove Pages. You're going to need to create an account. It's free for you to create the account. You create the account, you log in. Let me go back and see what it looks like when you're logging in. Once you log in, yeah, this is where login will show up, but now this shows up because I already logged in. You'll see your courses. You'll be able to select what course you're looking for. Most people are going to start with GrooveFunnels. You'll view the course, and it'll take you into the course, and there'll be a stuff for you to go through. Start here. You can go through all of this. Each tab has more sections for you to go through, okay? That will give you information about what you need to do here. Now, there's another section for you to go look at if you have more questions, and that's YouTube. On YouTube, Groove has its own channel called Groove Digital. If you search for Groove Digital on YouTube, the first account that comes up is this Groove Digital account. They have videos of all of the trainings that they have done. They publish it here on the channel. The thing I would do is go to playlists, and then in the playlists, you can search through which playlists might have information you're interested in viewing. And let's say we want to learn how to create a product funnel, which is what a lot of people want to do. Here you can come to how to create a product funnel. I'm not going to play it right now. And you'll see all 8 of the training series that they have presented for how to create a product funnel. Okay? Now, if you're on a mobile device, it might look a little different to you. It does look a little different. If you come inside of the mobile group, Groove Digital on Facebook, what you'll see is this little section here. Right here is where you access units. Right under the pictures, the little icons of the people, you'll access units. And you'll also be able to ask questions by clicking on this little magnifying glass at the top of the group. And then you can search inside of Groove Digital and actually ask the same questions that I asked before on the other. The other thing that I meant to show you, which I can show you in here, and it's also on the desktop page, are topics. Topics is a section that you can go to, which is going to give you all different kinds of topics, and they've grouped together information on these different topics inside of the Facebook group. So on the right side over here, you can also, on the desktop, find all of the topics that you want to look through and see what's available. You click on those 3 little dots, you'll get a list of all the topics that are grouped, and they show the posts, all right, so that you can click in a section and go through the information that you need. And also, on that side, on the right side, on the desktop version, you can also access units, right? Go here to units, or you can access units on this side here, okay? All right, I hope you found that to be helpful. Now realize that this takes time. Anything worth doing takes time. So you're not going to be able to just, click a button and start if you've never done any kind of technological stuff before. This stuff is fairly easy to learn once you go through the process of studying, learning, training. It's easy to learn how to use. And just like everything else, once you learn how to use it, it's really a piece of cake. I hope you found this to be helpful. Go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. Until next time.